in Scratch, next we are going to design a sprite walking from left to right. So this is our default sprite which we can delete from here. And here from backdrops we can select background of our sprite. So here I'm choosing this background, and for sprite we can go to sprite, and here from sprite I'm choosing this sprite. I'm placing it here. Now from events, when green flag is flipped, then we have to go to control, and in control we'll go for forever, and in forever we are going to give condition if. Now here within this diamond shaped box we are going to put the condition, and for condition we have to go to sensing, and here when key space is pressed we can change key from space to some other key as well, because here we are given different kinds of key. Up arrow, down arrow, we can choose any key, but here we are putting space. When key space is pressed, then this sprite has to move straight in 90 direction. So for that, here we will go to motion, and here point to direction 90, and then we have to change costume of this sprite. So we'll go to looks, and here we can get next costume tab. Now we have to move it further. So for that we'll go to motion again, and here we'll change the direction of x axis. That means change x by 10, and here we can see that when we press space bar, the sprite is going to move very fast. So to move the sprite, first of all we have to click this green flag, then space. You can see that it is moving very fast. So what here we can do is, here we can put a weight. So for weight we have to go to again control, and here we are putting weight of 1 second. If we put 1 second weight and press space bar, then we can see that it is moving very slowly. So here we can change its number from 1 to 0. I'm saying 8 seconds. Instead of 8, here we can say 0.2. So here we can say that it is moving forward and right hand direction. Now here we have kept point to direction to 90. Here instead of 90, if I do 180, then here we can see that when we click space, then sprite changes its direction to 180. So we don't want this, we want 90 degree. Here we'll put 90.